financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And it's Taco Tuesday. Let's add some flavor to your finances. Today we're seasoning our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge with intention, learning the balance lessons from our sweet pig, and discovering Joy's secrets from our wise pig mentor. Just like building the perfect taco, we're creating the perfect money balance. Let's cook up something amazing. For our Taco Tuesday challenges today, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $205 to put towards our Tuesday variable savings challenges. And the reason I say variable is because we do have our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge. We know what we're going to save because it's none other than today's date. The rest of these challenges, we don't know what Georgia has to hold for us. So we've got our variables savings funds here. Let's start with Taco Tuesday and see how much we have saved thus far this year once we pull out today's ration of numbers here. All right, and today is the 11th. So we will be saving $11. And here we are, we've got $11 here. I'm gonna color this in and we will set this to the side so it can dry while we see how much we've saved thus far this year in Taco Tuesday. We have $500 in high yield savings, $100 in surplus reserve for a total of $600 saved, 50, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. So we have $683 saved in Taco Tuesday thus far this year. We are rocking and rolling, moving and shaking, and making things happen, you guys. Now, let's take a look and see exactly what's going on with our girlfriend Georgette in the life of a pig who wants to save but loves to spend. And this is our second Tuesday of the month. And for ease, we are going to take this page out of our binder to make things a bit easier for us. And we are scratching off 3 spaces today. So we're going to start right here on this pumpkin. And we are saving $4 for our first space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will go down here by this leaf. And that's $6 for our next space. So let's put this 4 back and get a $10 bill. And one more, I'm gonna go for another pumpkin. And for our final scratch off, we have another $2, making it $12 on this side. Now on the next side, we are saving an additional $10. So let's put our 10 here to the side. Give me a moment, I'm gonna speed things up while I get this colored, and I'll be right back. And there we go. Another $10 for 5, 10 in pumpkins saved on this challenge. Let's get this page put back in our binder and see how much we've saved collectively thus far this year. All right, let's take a look in our envelope here. And we've got a total of $1,400 in our high yield savings. And 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, $46. We will get a 5 here and use surplus reserve to get a 20. So let's place these 2 10s in our surplus reserve. We do not need to make an entry because we're not adding money. We're just trading smaller bills for larger bills here. So now we have $1,446 condensed in our life of a pig who wants to save but loves to spend. Now let's move right along and check on things in life of a pig who wants to collect memories, not things. And on this page, we will be scratching off 3 spaces. We're going to start right here. And right out the gate, we're saving $7. 5, 6, 7. Our next scratch off, I'm going to go down here and see what we have going on. All right, and that's another $3. And so let's put this back and get a 10 because 7 plus 3 is 10. And for our last scratch off, we're going to go all the way up here in the sky. We've got $3 more to make it 13. So that's $13 on this page. Now let's turn things over. And this is our second week. We will be rolling 11 times. So I'm going to move our money down here at the bottom and put our dice here to make it easier to see. And I'm going to use a different color today so we know which ones we did this week. We are going to use red. So let's roll. We've got 2 dice that we're rolling here. We've got 6 and 2. So we've got 6 here and 2 here. Roll again. We've got 5 and 3 is finally in the race. We've got 4 and 1. All right. We've got 6 and 3. So it looks like we only need 1 more and 6 has come in first place. And we've got 1 and 6 here. Let's scratch this off and see what we've got. So we're adding $5 to what we're saving today. And we have 1 more roll and we've got 2. So we'll scratch off, we'll check off 2 right there. So 2 times 11 is 22. Plus 5 is 27. So we are adding $27. 10, 20, 5, 26, $27 to this challenge here. So today in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we're saving 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, $40. So let's put these smaller bills back and get another 10 to add this $40. And let's see how much we've saved thus far since we've been stacking our cash in this challenge. And in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we have now saved $650, $60, $70, $80, $90, $690. Let's condense this and $690 that we've saved thus far in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And this is another delicious Taco Tuesday complete. You just mixed all the right ingredients for financial success. Our pig pals taught us well today. Balance is where the magic happens. Thank you for this tasty Tuesday, my incredible financial fashionistas. You're cooking up financial freedom one taco at a time. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. saying keep that perfect balance going. You're doing phenomenal. See you next time.